resetting the maintenance reminder in a 2015 Lexus is250. Use your steering wheel buttons right here. Press the menu button and get to your menu here. Now what you want to do is scroll over till you get to the gear symbol and then hit the enter button. Go down till you get to maintenance system. Hit enter, and as you want to initialize, hit yes. All right. And you're also going to need to go to your radio and go to setup. And there's going to be some maintenance reminders here. Hit the arrow and you're looking for vehicle. All right, and right here it says maintenance. And we'll just go to oil and filter. You can see here that there's about 3,700 miles remaining on mine. If you hit edit, okay, and just hit okay and agree to the distance, it will reset it to 10,000 miles. All right, let's do the same thing with like tire rotation. It's set for 12,000 miles and we have 5,000 left. Just gonna go ahead and agree with the same amount of miles. It resets to 12,000. Okay, hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment.